You too. We in this bitch with a car.
I can't even see you.
Say hey. Let's go over here, y'all.
Hi, I am
Y'all, they finna have a little car meet. Real to real supposed to be down here, man. We trying to see what's up with that. Right now, it's a bunch of challenges and charges lined up right here, but everybody ain't here yet, so I ain't gonna really say too much. We got an SRT Jeep, got the Trackhawk in the cut, but I ain't gonna say too much though.
It's your boy Calvin 2X. We back with another banger, y'all. We got them things out. Show them, Trey, you ain't showing them things. Showing them things, man. They ain't playing no games. They always down there. Oh yeah, we gotta move out. 392 coming through. 392 coming through. Here you go, Trey. I'm done taking over your vlog.
Alright, y'all, we gonna tune in with some more cars pull up, you know what I'm saying?
Tune in.
We waiting on Real to Real to pull up, man. We gonna tune in for sure.
Look for the car.
Real to Real, y'all, Real to Real just pulled up. We don't see his ass, he just dipped. Yeah. Cuz there, just real deal dip. Finna show y'all these cars though. Hey.
No game.
He been slide.
He caught red, ain't
He been slide.
Live with it, y'all.
That man said we got the Honda right here.
We got the Chevrolet.
Say what you know about this?
We got the Camry.
What you know about this?
We got the Camry, the Chevrolet.
Hell no, nothing about this.
Silver from Delano.
Oh, say it's tripping, dog.
I don't care, that's a real.
Say it's tripping, dog.
What that's a 1990?
Say it's tripping, dog. Y'all see, I got the jacket on. Cuz. Which one?
Y'all see it.
We got the same mind.
I'm just saying, y'all see it.
Right. For sure. For sure. Why you recording so big for?
Y'all got something to say?
Light the top?
Light the top.
Already.
Shout out Calvin 2X on YouTube. We vlogging right now.
Man, Rell for real in the building, man. Come on.
I got my joint on my jacket. I am Tracy.
Oh, say it 3 times. Say it 3 times? Already, man. Appreciate that support. Y'all gotta do it. If y'all gonna do it, make sure you do it every day.
Big food.
Y'all gotta stay consistent, man.
What's
You
up?
got to. What's going on? Oh, you just shouted to us out.
Yeah,
Don't try to get in there. You trying to double take.
I'm trying to get where you at with the Hellcat.
It's all good. You gonna get there.
What's up?
Guarantee you just gotta keep working, bro. It ain't hard to get. It's easy. It's easy. It's not hard what people think, bro. It's just it takes work, working hard, grinding. You know what I'm saying? And just supporting your family and stuff. Having a support system. You know what I'm saying? To help you out when you in need, when you down. You know what I'm saying? To help you get right, build up credit, all that type of stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? You need a whole structure. You need a whole team to do this stuff in life. I can't do this by myself. I got my supporters, I got my family, I got my wife, I got my mom, you know, I got a lot of people, you know what I'm saying, that's behind me that support what I'm doing. So if they support you, you gonna support yourself.
Telling y'all that real spill right there. That real spill right there.
Big boy fat.
Y'all
My y'all
They came up and left and they said they see me over there still.
Yeah, I was finna pull up where you was at.
You acting crazy over there.
For sure. That man funny. Y'all see who he is, man. Horse thing.
don't play with that boy.
For sure. Horse
Out of
thing.
there.
What you want to tell him about your Porsche, man? For sure.
Got some mods.
Mustang, we got the 5.0 right there. We got the Real to Real cat. We got the RT right here. We got the fan. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah.
RT.
RT.
Oh, shit. Oh, one more time for him. Oh, go down. Hey, he scared the shit out of me. I ain't even gonna count.
Hey, he scared me. You got me.
You got me. I got that.
I ain't gonna lie, you
Yes, sir. What we got right here? Hey, he scared the shit out of me, girl.
my boy did right there.
Yes, sir. That's what we do to this side. Rell, what's going on with this side? What's going on with this side?
What you think?
I know you did something to this side.
Oh, no. I just got my speakers.
What you mean,
No,
no?
hey,
You tripping, man.
hold on. Just hold your second. Oh, give me 2 weeks.
We ready to see the 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
2 weeks. We ready to see the inside, though.
2 weeks, man.
We ready to see the inside.
Man, we getting the whole inside done.
Oh, yeah.
Whole
Yeah,
inside.
everything done.
What's up? We want to see the inside of this bad boy.
I gotta get the monster.
Bro, I can't see food. It's sun in my face. Man, what them cats at, man? What them cats at?
But yeah, y'all, we gonna catch y'all when they start teeing up or whatever. Make sure y'all drop a like, subscribe on this video, y'all, for the vlog. Shit, let's get it. We out, y'all. Let's go.
Hey, that's not big.
I am trying. Look, subscribe to me if you seen these, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe.
How you gonna tell them to subscribe?
Subscribe to me, dog.
Subscribe.
Subscribe, y'all. Capital 2X and I am Trey and said 3
Man, this
times.
nigga ain't nobody. Subscribe to me. No, I'm just playing. Subscribe to my dog, man. Subscribe to my dog. Subscribe to my dog. Didn't that?
Get that!
We get something else.
I gotta say that for the tube. I'm like,
Oh, he. Gay. Gay team. Gay team.
You ain't got no grip.
Hold on now. Hold on. Don't play with them. Oh, they get stupid. They get stupid. They finna act dumb.
Hey, somebody said the Prometheus. You got the Prometheus.
Man, bro.
I got the Prometheus.
What's crazy is, fool, it really, like, it ain't even late yet. And these folks doing this right here.
Hey, what am I saying?
they trying to tee up, y'all. I couldn't.
Everybody,
That's
really,
crazy.
fool?
I got the snap when the dudes in charges start burning out. But when I'm recording on YouTube for regular, I ain't get it. So now I have to add that clip. Y'all gonna see it.
You should have got your camera loose and punch out gate. Whoa, where you at? Turn up on him.
There you go.
Turn up on him. He coming back through in the
Hey,
fan.
don't sleep on the view.
He come back through the
He come back through in the fan.
Don't sleep on the view.
He come back through in the fan. Oh, traffic cop blocking right now. Oh, come back through in the fan. Oh, yeah. Act stupid then.
Hey, stupid man, what
Oh,
that
yeah.
fan gonna do? I know
What the
that
fan gonna do? Fan quiet, but this shit don't matter though. Act dumb! No! He acting stupid!
He cranking up.
Hell no. Why I keep cutting my food? I ain't got no shirt on.
I got my camera used. I was like a regular camera.
I get a tattoo on my head.
No, that's dumb.
Natty's like.
Stop now.
Nah, I want to see somebody.
What they gonna do? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Challenge RT thing. He not. He nice though. He nice though. He nice though.
How you gotta do it, man?
I hate you can't flip the camera while you doing it.
Yeah, I hate you. That's why I could have blocked my camera.
Real. Real got shit done in his car.
This from Marcel.
Damn.
Staying right.
Yes, sir. Y'all see the symbol on it. Y'all see the symbol on it.
I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, sir. These blocks. Yes, sir. Gotta get down there. Yes, sir. Suited and booted with the camo, baby. Camo. What that is over there?
Hold on. You must go to the
What, bro?
SRT.
SRT.
I know my phone.
SRT. Mopar only.
Playing no game. Playing no game. Y'all anything out Yes, sir.
Hold on.
Yes, sir.
Let me get to the back of this, John. Let me see what you're hitting on back here, though.
Let
Let me see what you're hitting on.
Let me see.
We gotta see what you're hitting on.
Yes, sir. That time ready to spit some flames.
That time ready to shoot.
Heavy on the Hemi, man.
Heavy Hemi 901.
He's looking G right there.
Sir.
He looks lit with them ties. I like them ties.
What do you see?
RT. I don't know what it
Siri, come on, fool. Give us your honest opinion. What you be talking about, dog?
I'm saying he got the coffee nice. He got this on the front.
What kind of police business you on? FBI agent?
I'm just saying, I don't know cars, but I know
Let me
this.
show a car.
Madison, what you think?
What?
What you think about the car?
What y'all think about
They're
cars?
crazy.
Oh, damn. What'd you say?
They're crazy.
They crazy.
Let us know in the
Y'all know.
comments. If
Y'all
we
know
want,
what
if
you
y'all
think,
want to look, what I think is
It's TRS.
it's the best life ever, and you should get out here and get some cars and get some RTs,
Nah, bitch, how you gonna move my camera, though?
some scats, whatever you want to do, model. Bring them
Nah,
out
bitch.
here.
Nah, hold
To a
on.
colleague.
How you gonna move my camera, though? We was
I
talking.
don't know about them SRTs.
Y'all see how you do?
I don't know
He
about
just hop out the camera. Nah, you ain't my dog. You ain't my dog. Man, just hop out the camera though. You ain't my dog. Y'all hear this man?
That BB gun.
Ooh, we gonna get a BB gun up in there. Y'all hear him? He ain't my dog. Yes, sir. SRTG.
Nope.
That motherfucker finna get out of there.
Oh yeah, he's it. He's trying to race or something. It's 390.
So y'all won't get copyrighted.
Mine don't even care. Oh, look at the G.
You like,
Don't fall. Oh, he better get out the way.
Now that's what you call a city guy.
That might be them. That's the definition.
mine at 392, so seriously, baby. Don't get 392.
I'm gonna get that
Don't get 392. Somebody, stand up.
Hey, but look at these folks. I don't know where to look. City girl.
She out there twanging. Kids.
She gon' fall. She gon' fall. Oh.
Oh,
Hold on.
Ain't no way, bro. This is Memphis for y'all, bro. My city is too wild.
Where's Rell, the dog?
Where's Rell? He missing all the.
He over there.
Nah, he went over there.
He bumping, baby. Where the fuck Jay go?
So good thing.
Hey, man. What
Come on,
hey,
dog.
My bad. The man with the plan.
Come on, dog. Yeah, loud.
Turn that little black motherfucker up. What you talking about? Shit.
Hey, he like.
They said, come on. They said, come on.
Turn that bitch out, dog. Hey, my guy.
Block it out. Put it back in. Yes, sir. Rell, what you doing? Rell. Rell, what you doing? What you doing?
I ain't doing nothing.
You gonna let them do you like that?
I got clips for him.
You got clips on.
Hey, man.
Ah.
The egg we need, right, Trey?
This is what we need, dog. My dog.
Yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all. Hey, who got the video? We been waiting on him. We been waiting on him. He pulled back to
Uh-oh. We been waiting on him. We been waiting for this. It's hard.
I know if I get my range up now, we can get that.
Hey, yeah.
You can't drive. Hey, folks, tripping, dog. Oh, what the fuck? He tripping, dog. The man almost just broke everything on his car, dog. We need a rail.
If I zoom in, y'all, that's the best quality.
Hell, what, fool? That's okay. Get up better already. Come on this way, big dog. Oh. Hey, he acting dumb. Yes, sir.
What took y'all niggas so long, man?
I ended up, he went to read up too. Hey. What you got? What y'all got to feel, man?
Hey, he got called lacking.
I ain't gonna lie though, he got up better though. What y'all think? What y'all think?
I know they
The
ain't
Keon.
That nigga better hope it ain't no 5 o'clock traffic on
For
the
real, cuz
He showed you.
it might
That nigga went to 240. I ain't thinking about that shit. That nigga went that way.
He going to jail on my mama.
I don't know what everybody ran off for. The fed going after his ass, not her shit.
We'll see him next. We'll see him sometime that week.
Don't put that on your mama.
He gonna catch up with us later.
Okay, hold on. I want to see what they finna do back here though. I want to see what they finna do over here. What these folks doing?
Light-skinned police. I got that with light-skinned police.
What are you gonna do?
Black dude.
Shout yourself out on YouTube.
I ain't got YouTube. I'm finna make one though.
Alright, he ready. Shit! Dang!
How you see a pro?
Hey! You folks driving like me! Oh, still.
What they doing?
Uh-oh. Stay right there, Mason. I just went down. I just went down.
Somebody get that one smoke, dog.
I just went down. I just went down. That boy skating across the line.
He got that bitch on skate.
That motherfucker loud. Hey, that how loud, cuz. Well, they better put it up. But he had to hold on. I should have been here to do when I
Man, with who?
Oh, yeah.
Rell, tell her what it is one more time.
Man, real to real in the building, man. We up here, everybody showing love, everybody coming out, enjoying themselves. No problem with nothing. Car bringing everybody together. Memphis supporting Memphis, man. That's what it is. Already, man.
For sure. Real too real.
My brother, what's happening?